Yoga ni nidhamu ya kizamani kutoka India. Ni ya kiroho na kimwili. Yoga hutumia mbinu ya kupumua, mazoezi na kutafakari. Yoga inaboresha afya na kukupa furaha.
For spiritual, yoga you can start with meditation by breathing in and out all the time and release every tension in your body by relaxing and focus on yourself inside to remove every tension and every chakra on your brain, on your body. After time, you have to relax and open your eyes and start to warm up your body a bit to continue to exercising and practice the physical, practical. So you have to start with meditation for 5 minutes and to continue with physical exercise for 45 minutes or 1 hour. It depends on what you want to do. You can do 10 minutes or 20, whatever you want. You can choose. You can start with meditation or you can prepare your body first and do the practice. But you have to take care of your body first to don't injure yourself, because every exercise you're doing is about your muscles, and the muscles need to care a lot. Yoga gives you strong body and the flexibility of your body, and the mindset goes very good, and to reduce anxiety, fear, and all obstacles around you. It reduces stress and every problem around you. So you have to make sure you step on the meditation, and after meditation you can start a physical exercise.
Okay, find your comfortable seat. Sit nice and tall, stretch your back, relax your shoulders, your head and neck neutral. You can sit wherever comfortable seat you feel. It's not necessary to sit like this, but stretch your back, relax your shoulders, and close your eyes gently. Keep breathing in and out all the time. Open your ears and hear every sound around you, include my voice. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Continue to relax your body, calm your mind. Dive deep inside you by breathing in and out all the time. Don't hold your breath. Just relax and calm your mind. Then open your eyes. Lift your arms up and bring it down. Lift your shoulders up and release it. Lift it up and release it. Keep breathing in and out. Bring your right arm down, left arm up, stretch your left ribs. Keep breathing in and out all the time with a long breath. Come back to center. Bring your left arm down, stretch your right arm up. Feel the stretch on your ribs. Keep breathing in and out to release every tension in your body. Come back to center. And bring your arms back, lift your chest up, look back. That is good for your spinal cord, your lower back. Come back to center. Drop your head to your right side and pull your head down. Keep relaxing, feel the stretch. Come back to center. Drop your head to your left and pull your head with your left arm. Relax your neck muscles by breathing in and out all the time. Come back to center and take a child's pose. Big toes touching, heels touching, sit on your heels, wide your knees much as possible. Relax and feel the stretch. Come on your right side and stretch, feel the stretch. Keep breathing in and out all the time. Change direction, come to your left and feel the stretch. Keep breathing in and out all the time. Don't hold your breath. Come back to center and stretch again. Feel the stretch and come to fall like a tabletop cat pose. When you look up, breathe in, and when you look down, breathe out. This is good for your back. Keep breathing in and out all the time. Breathe in and breathe out. 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 Come back to center. Lift your right arm forward, your left leg back. Engage on your core muscles. This is good for your belly. So relax your head and neck down. Keep breathing in and out and release. Lift your left arm forward, right leg back. Stretch, engage on your core muscles. Neutral on your neck, look down. Keep breathing in and out all the time. Don't hold your breath and release. Tap your toes, come to downward dog. Push your chest in, focus on the one point. Your feet are parallel and push yourself in. Feel the stretch. Keep breathing in and out all the time. Lift your heels up and down. Keep breathing up and bend your knees. Look forward. You can jump or walk forward. Halfway lift. Stretch your back. Push your chest in. Feel the stretch on your back and forward fold. Grab your heels and push yourself in. Keep breathing in and out. Come to extended mountain. Relax your shoulders, stretch your elbows. Keep breathing in and out and forward fold. Keep breathing. Halfway lift. High to low push-up. You can jump or you can walk back. So if you are very good, you can jump. If you are not good, beginner, you can walk. And low push-up, you can do full push-up or you can bring your knees down and go low. Upward dog. Relax your shoulders. Don't hold your shoulders up and come to downward dog. Feel the stretch. Keep breathing in and out all the time. Bring your right leg forward. Flat on your back foot, not like this. So bring your right leg flat. Left leg, sorry. Reach your arms up. Relax your shoulders. Focus on the one point. Challenge yourself by going low. Take a warrior 2. Keep breathing in and out. Reach your right arm forward and bring it back. Reverse the warrior. Keep breathing in and out all the time. Come to high to low push-up. So you can bring your knees down to make it easy, or you can do full push-up to go low. Keep breathing in and out. Upward dog and downward dog. Left leg forward, warrior 1. Challenge yourself by going low. Relax your shoulders, stretch your elbows. Keep breathing in and out. Challenge yourself by going low. Take a warrior 2. Reach your left arm forward and reverse the warrior. Keep breathing in and out all the time. Challenge yourself in a high to low push-up. Upward dog. Keep breathing. And downward dog. Relax your shoulders. Push your chest in. Lift your heels, bend your knees, jump or walk forward. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Big toes touching, heels touching, chair pose. Reach your arms up. Focus on the 1 point. Keep breathing. Relax your shoulders. And forward fold. Halfway lift. High to low push up. You can jump or you can walk back and go low. Upward dog and downward dog. Bring your right leg forward. Now tap your back toes. Crescent lunge. Reach your arms up. Shine your fingers. Relax your shoulders. Stretch your elbows. Challenge yourself by going low. Bring your left knee down, Reach your arms forward, shift your weight and look back. That is good for your pelvis and your back too. Bring your elbows down. If you can't do elbows down, you can bring your arms down. That is not necessary, so you can bring your arms down and open your right foot. Come up to warrior 2. Bring your right arm down, left arm up, extended side angle. Look up on the sky or ceiling, or if you want, you can bring your right elbow on your right knee, or you can take a bound like how you do it. Then high to low push up, upward dog, and downward dog. Left leg forward, warrior 1. Not crescent lunge, Bring your right knee on your mat. Reach your arms up and lean back. Keep breathing in and out. Feel the stretch on your pelvis. Bring your elbows down or your arms down. Open your left leg. Keep breathing in and out. Relax and come to warrior 2. Challenge yourself by going low. Take extended side angle. You can take a bound, or you can bring your left arm down and right arm up, or you can do left elbow on your left knee. Come upward dog and downward dog. Bend your knees, look forward and take a child pose. That is good for your back. That is awakening. You warm up your body before you do anything you want to do. This will be good for you. Welcome again. Thank you for watching. Just tap a subscribe for our channel and ring bell to get notification, and comment, share and like to other people to see it.